Your first question. Kalhan's Rastarangini was written in which language? Option A. Persian. Option B. Sanskrit. Option C. Devanagari. Option D. Farsi. Option B. Sanskrit. Next question. Where Khardungla is located? Option A. Jammu Kashmir. Option B. Ladakh. Option C. Himachal Pradesh. Option D. Arunachal Pradesh. Right answer is option B. Ladakh. Next question. Who coined the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan? Option C. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Next. Who is the first Indian to receive the honor of Bharat Ratna? Option A. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Option B. Rajendra Prasad. Option C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option D. Rabindranath Tagore. Right answer is option A. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Next question. Which state does not share its boundary with Myanmar? Option A. Arunachal Pradesh. Option B. Mizoram. Option C. Manipur. Option D. Sikkim. Correct answer is option D. Sikkim. Which acid is produced in our stomach? Option A. Nitric acid. Option B. Sulfuric acid. Option C. Perchloric acid. Option D. Hydrochloric acid. Correct answer is option D. Hydrochloric acid. Next. Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia is related to which musical instrument? Option A. Flute. Option B. Shanai. Option C. Tabla. Option D. Violin. Correct answer is option A. Flute. Next question. Prarthana Samaj was founded in which year? Option A. 1855. Option B. 1867. Option C. 1927. Option D. 1845. Option B. 1867. Next. Which day is celebrated as National Sports Day? Option A. 21st April. Option B. 29th August. Option C. 14th December. Option D. 7th April. Correct answer is option B. 29th August. Who among the following holds office during the pleasure of the President? Option A. Governor. Option B. Election Commissioner. Option C. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Option D. Prime Minister. Option A. Governor. Homework question. Golden Revolution is related to which product? Option A. Pulse. Option B. Jute. Option C. Oilseed. Option D. Horticulture and honey. Give the answer on the comment box.